Images formed between two plane mirrors which are inclined at an angle of theta. Clear? So see ma here, consider there are two mirrors which are inclined at an angle of theta. Clear no? So in between these two mirrors, if you place any object, okay, then what happens ma? This object, it creates an image in one of the mirror. Object will create an image in one mirror. This image will serve as an object for second mirror. Are you able to understand? So for example, if you take this object, where image will be created? Image will be created here, no? And what are the properties of image created by a plane mirror? Size will be same, no? And it should be an erect image. It should be a virtual image. And the distance also should be same, no? If this distance is 10 centimeter, this distance also will be 10 centimeter. Okay. Now this image which is created, it serves as an object for the second mirror. It serves as an object. What kind of object? Virtual object. This is not a real object, no? This is the real object. This is a virtual object. Are you able to understand? Virtual object means it is an object which is not an object. Untrue object, not real. Okay, ma? But definitely this image serves as an object for this mirror. So image will be created somewhere inside the second mirror. And that image will again serve as an object for second mirror, first mirror. So like this, multiple reflections will take place until the image goes out of the field of view of these two mirrors. Are you able to understand, ma? So this concept is a very, very big concept in advanced level. Clear? Next year we will deal advanced topic related to this one, how images will be created. Images will be created in a circular fashion like this. Okay, ma? Now we are not dealing with advanced level, we are dealing with only simple concept of NEET and mains level, ma? So right. So number of images created. Okay, ma? So for example, it is n is equals to 360 degrees minus theta. Okay, ma? So let us study case number 1. Case number 1. So what is meant by theta here? Theta is the angle between the two mirrors. Are you able to understand, ma? So n value is how much? 360 divided by theta. Okay. So if n is an odd number, then number of images created is equal to n only. If you get n to be an odd number, then what will be the number of images created? Number of images created will be n only. Are you able to understand, ma? Case number 2 is n is equals to 360 divided by theta, and n is an even number. Then number of images created. Okay, ma? This is equals to, so 360 degrees by, or just you can say n minus 1. Okay, ma? So these are the 2 points which you are supposed to remember for the number of 3 images created in between two mirrors which are inclined at an angle of theta. Okay, ma? So n is equal to 360 by theta. If n is an odd number, same number of images will be created. But if n is an even number, then how many number of images will be created? N minus 1. So these are the 2 formulae which you are supposed to remember. Are you able to understand? For example, okay, so angle between the mirrors, let it be 90 degrees. Then can you say how many images are created? Ma? If both mirrors are present at an angle of 90 degrees, then how many images will be created? Can you say? Cheyandi, formulas unnai kada. What is n value? 360 divided by theta. So 360 divided by 90. 360 by 90? 4. So therefore n value is 4. N is an even number or odd number? Even number. If it is even number, what I have to do? N minus 1. So therefore, number of images created is how much? It is n minus 1. That is 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 images are created. Okay, ma? So like this, you can find out any number of images.